Welcome to Globe Motors Blackburn, the premier RAC approved used car dealer in the Northwest. Every vehicle we offer is carefully selected, professionally prepared, and comes with complete peace of mind as standard. All of our cars are RAC approved, meaning each one undergoes a full 82-point RAC approved inspection carried out by our own RAC approved technicians right here on site. Every vehicle includes 3 months RAC warranty, 12 months RAC breakdown cover, and is fully HPI clear for your confidence. We take pride in delivering quality vehicles that you can rely on, with preparation standards that go above and beyond. At Globe Motors Blackburn, it's not just about selling cars, it's about making sure you drive away with total confidence. Here we have something that we can all agree is a bit special. This is a 2014 Range Rover Evoque 2.2 SD4 Dynamics Luxe Limited Edition, finished in black with standout orange detailing. This is not your usual Evoque. The black and orange styling gives it a much sharper, more individual look, and with just 54,000 miles, it also sits really well for its age and mileage. It comes with an excellent service record, showing 9 service stamps, including 6 Land Rover main dealer stamps. Even better, the Cambelt has already been replaced at 25,000 miles by Land Rover in Peterborough, which is a huge reassurance on one of these. A free service will also be carried out prior to purchase by our technicians here at Globe Motors Blackburn, along with a free 12 months MOT. The specification of this amazing looking Land Rover also backs up its beautiful styling. The panoramic glass Sky Lounge roof floods the cabin with light and gives the interior a much more open and premium feel. You also get the Meridian surround sound with Dolby Pro Logic and DTS6 Neo, so the audio setup feels properly high-end. Parking and manoeuvring are made much easier with reverse camera, front bumper cameras, door mirror cameras, and front and rear parking sensors with parking aid alert. Other highlights include side steps, wireless phone charging, dual view touchscreen, blind spot monitoring, reverse traffic detection, self-parking features, satellite navigation, Bluetooth audio, electric rear tailgate, cruise control, dual zone climate control, high beam assist, xenon headlights, heated front and rear leather seats, heated and cooled front seats, and 20-inch gloss black alloy wheels with those beautiful orange brake calipers. For extra peace of mind, this limited edition Evoque comes with 2 remote central locking keys, 3 months RAC nationwide parts and labour warranty, and 12 months RAC breakdown cover. On top of this, customers can also ask about extending the RAC warranty for longer term peace of mind. If you're looking for a vehicle that has been prepared to the highest standards, then this is one not to miss. Here at Globe Motors Blackburn, all of our vehicles are displayed in our purposely adapted indoor showing room, allowing you to view all of our stock comfortably, whatever the weather. We offer a full range of finance options tailored to suit you, and every vehicle is presented by our RAC approved team, ensuring the highest levels of quality and preparation throughout. If you're not local, we also offer nationwide delivery and can provide a full remote walkaround via WhatsApp, so you can view the vehicle in detail from wherever you are. For more information, to reserve this vehicle or to arrange a test drive, get in touch with our team today. Globe Motors Blackburn. Quality vehicles prepared properly.